So I bought these NES controllers from China. There's nothing wrong with them except they didn't work. Have a look. Okay, so the axis number 1 should be the vertical axis and 0 the horizontal. And the problem here is that when I press left very lightly, then it shows that I only press left. But if I apply a little bit more force, then the vertical axis is also engaged. I mean, it's extremely sensitive. The worst use case is when you press any diagonal and then just try to press in one direction only. For example, upwards. It's almost impossible to get the sideways axis to disengage. So something in here is way too sensitive. So let's fix that. So there are 4 Phillips screws to be removed. There's one more screw here too. And there's the contact pads that this membrane I don't know if you can see this, but there are 4 tiny cylinders on this D-pad pushing on these rubber buttons which make contact with the contact plates on the PCB. I can't decide if these cylinders are too long or too short, so maybe I'll need to try something else. If we use this clear plastic and press the buttons, we can see that the contact pads are touching at the outer edges first before making contact anywhere else. So maybe we can use that to our advantage. So I created this diamond shape. Let's see if it works better. So let's try this again. Up, down, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, up, down, diagonal, right, down. Yeah. Work and then straight up. Right. Yeah. Fixed. Just a bit of tape and you're done. Thanks for watching.